The following instructions are for the assembly of the Urban Edge workstation. Before beginning assembly, make sure you have received all the parts listed below and have the required tools for setup. With base cabinet lying on its side, attach the heavy-duty casters by aligning with the pre-drilled holes. Use LP connector bolts to secure the casters in place. Use a 5 by 32 inch hex bit and a drill bit extension to fasten the bolts into place. Complete these steps for each of the 4 heavy-duty casters. After heavy-duty casters are attached, position the base cabinet right side up. Make sure to have the 2 locking casters levers pushed down to secure cabinet in place. Using a screw gun and a Phillips drill bit, unscrew the arch pull handles from the cabinet doors. Reposition the handle so it is on the outside of the door and fasten. Repeat these steps for each of the 4 arch pull handles. Place Urban Edge top on base cabinet and align with the pre-drilled pilot holes. Using the LP connector bolts, insert the bolt into the top through the base cabinet. Use a 5 by 32 inch hex bit and a screw gun to fasten the bolt into place. After the first bolt is fastened, proceed to the back of the cabinet on the opposite side to attach the second bolt. Repeat these steps for the remaining 2 sides. This will complete the assembly of the Urban Edge workstation. If you have any questions, please call our customer service.